just simply take some herbs.
Okay.
And marinate with all the make it put inside the put inside here.
So actually, what you are marinate this one?
No, this is only the soya sauce.
Okay.
The powder we have already make it into powder form and marinate for 1 night.
Alright. Oh, 1 night.
1 night.
Okay.
Then this is the Kampong chicken. We can't use others chicken and another types.
Why?
Because let's say the white chicken, the meat is too soft.
Oh, too soft, yeah.
The only Kampong chicken,
they
can last because we have to put in the oven for 3 hours.
So Kampong chicken actually is a free range chicken.
Yeah, free range.
Normally come from in the village.
Yes.
So you let go your chicken and run away, and they start to eat everywhere. So this is Kampong chicken. Okay, 90 days chicken.
Yes.
Okay.
It's at least 85 days to 90 days.
Okay. For 90 days is very old.
Yeah.
So normally chicken they take 45 days they slaughter already.
Yeah, so the meat is very tender.
Okay.
This is how my grandmother. My great grandmother they do it.
Maybe I'm a Malay, I'm Muslim. Can I consume your chicken?
My supplier, my supplier is halal.
The chicken is halal. Halal. Okay.
Chicken and duck is halal from my supplier.
And the ingredient is.
Yes, only the herbs only, without any alcohol.
This one no wine, no nothing.
No.
Okay, right. We find mud that they used to cover the chicken. So this is the whole secret of this beggar chicken.
Number is
9016. Anyone? 9016 calling 1, 9016 calling twice, 1016 calling twice is mine. So what we do, we just cover here like this. See, okay. Then we can take the mud slowly. This one just like you icing the cake, you see? Icing the cake. Voila, now you are. So we will bake there for 3 hours. So can you wait for 3 hours?
We'll be back in 3 hours.
Please be back in 3 hours. Okay, now in the process of baking it, so we put in the tray. Now the oven is hot. It's 300 degrees Celsius. And then we have to bake for
3 hours.
3 hours. So now it's already 3 hours. So quite sweating waiting for the chicken, no? But anyway, it's worth trying. So let's see what happened to the chicken. Wow, it's already 3 hours after baking. It's so hot and it's hot. Okay, now you can see that the chicken are ready. So normally you can buy, you have to take home like this. So nobody going to knock the clay for you. So you knock yourself. So it's an experience otherwise. It's from Ipoh, Kampung Pasir Pinji, that you cannot find anywhere else. Only this place. It's been 90 years recipe,
Yes,
by
my great grandmother.
My great grandmother.
Itu hammer.
Wow, this is a real groundbreaking. My number is 6019. You remember? But this time my number become 3352.
This is the magic.
Magic. It's a magic. So now. So it's ready for you to serve and display to your family. Can I make for full moon?
Full moon? Yes.
Can
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Actually,
Chinese.
for some information, full moon actually is the Chinese celebrate their baby born after 1 month. So normally they celebrate their baby by giving away a present. So normally roast chicken and angko,
yes.
And then they have glutinous rice, yellow glutinous rice, color eggs, and some pure sweet. That to say thank you that I got my baby. Now my baby already 1 month. Okay, this is the moment of the truth. Thank you. The moment of the truth. See? Wow, you can smell. The whole village can smell it. See, you can see the very nice juicy that you can swim it. Yeah. So I think the meat is very tender. Yeah, very tender. 非常香。非常香。